Is before you order 5 CTTW double actually worth your hard-earned money? Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this before you order 5 CTTW double changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup, I was completely sold. It is mind-blowingly effective cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Is before you order 5 CTTW double actually worth your hard-earned